You know or I will tell you. You understood Kabutar Bidai? What's your mother tongue? Kannada.
Same way, bro.
Pariwala Vikapo. Yeah.
What's Pariwala?
Okay, people are joining. Hi, Ricky. So, guys, we'll do another intro.
Yeah.
We are here
We are here at WMA.
Discussing.
Of WMA.
Hi,
Yeah.
Ricky says hi.
Hi.
Hi, Ricky. Yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, we are having a small group discussion. We are trying to do a case study for a courier company.
Hey, Arun.
Their objective is to promote their website, and they also have an app.
Okay.
They want the people to download their app, use their app regularly. It's one of the very nice apps. I did try it. It is an app where you take a pic
Ricky
of-
says hi, guys.
Hi. Hi. You download the app, take a pic of this book, and if you want to courier this, it will suggest you all the things what are required, and they will come and pick it up and deliver it. And
Hi, Arun.
this one.
Arun says
Free shipping.
Arun says hi.
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 You have to say like this for continuously.
So the main challenge right now is they have approached us for a digital marketing. Okay, we have to do a strategy. We need to find out how to promote their website, how to promote their app. We should make people download their app and use their app. That is the objective, and that is the thing what it. And we have come here to find out. This discussion is what are the best strategy and what we need to do.
Okay.
You all can see.
So in the first instance, the objective is to people use more of the app or more of the business, more of the
More of
web
the app.
use.
More at
More
downloading,
app.
they should download their app.
No.
That is one of the criteria.
No, you're talking about two objectives. here.
Sketch.
One is
Yeah.
on the app
Website.
downloads.
First of all, my question is why app instead of website?
There is a website, there is an app also, but they want to promote app. Why is a customer? You need to ask that to the customer. The customer has given this as an objective, and we are here to decide on that objective. Okay, he would have done a lot of research and he has come to a conclusion that yes, people have to download an app. Why and how he has come to that conclusion is not a part of this. He has come to that is his objective and he has asked us to do that. Okay, so our idea is to push traffic to download the app. Okay, and people should visit his website. We are that is the main objective.
No, first of all, courier business, for a courier business, going back to your client, I think you can tell this to your client. App would definitely not work for a courier business.
No, I'll tell you why the app would work. When you download and install an app on your phone, it's like you're subscribing to something. So,
Fine. But
like
if
I have Ola.
If I have to courier this to US, okay, so there is a certain amount of weight, there's a certain amount of stuff which I need
No,
to
you just
calculate.
have to take a snapshot of that and
No,
then
no.
you have to tell the shipping address and
But he will tell you, will ask you, know, how much does it weigh, what is the cost, how will you
Okay,
actually-
one second. Ricky says it does become your objective to understand the exact business context.
Yeah.
It is not our objective to understand. It is part of this one. We need to understand the business objective, but ultimately our business is to meet customers' objective.
Okay. So those who are watching live Periscope, please share it so that we can have some more discussions too. Please do share. If you swipe to the right, there is a share option. Please do share. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I just want to know how does it actually help the user using an app to.
Let us do some old school this thing. We'll discuss and then we'll actually come up with that.
How will it actually help a user to use an app and send a courier? Or how will he arrive at
That is different. We are not.
See, for
concerned
courier
about-
business, app is very important. I tell you, app with mobile apps is very important because you will not know when the consignment will reach you.
App is to track.
App is to track.
Yeah. End of story.
So the
So
tracking-
what is the difference if Google, if it is in mail, Google tracks and gives it, right?
Yeah, that.
No, this is a real-time tracking. That means anytime you open, you know exactly where this one is, where your consignment is. So there you need to open another browser and you are going. There is somebody in between, correct? You have a Google or you have another website or you have. This is not like that.
Okay, let me ask you this. Is this popular? somewhat?
No, it is a startup.
It is a startup.
What is the difference between other like DC? What is that?
Nobody else has got an app as of now. They have an app.
DTDC has got a app.
They have an app. Is that an app like, you know, you click a picture and they will do the free shipping?
No, you can't.
You can't.
You cannot do it.
Okay, so can you tell what is that app does?
I think Vatika is the right person who will be
Tell
able
us.
to
Then what that does?
Any Korean company
She's
who's
very-
having an app.
Yeah.
Person can open the website.
If you want to like send a bottle to anyone, you just have to take a snapshot of this, and then you have to place your shipping address and all that, and then it will be placed. And shipping will be free of cost.
Shipping
Okay,
Yeah.
taking a snapshot of
They are
this,
so
how
cheap.
does
They are-
how does it help to weigh that product?
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the deal.
Are they going to buy it and sell it, or let's say I want to send this only?
You just have to take a snapshot,
Uh-huh.
and then they will tell you about the. You have to specify the specifications of how much.
Who will collect it from me?
Their respective persons.
They'll collect it
Yeah,
from-
they will
Okay,
come.
we need to-
They will
we need to
come.
tell
Yeah,
everything
they
what
will
the
be
way-
at your doorsteps to collect, to receive the order, and then they will be the one responsible for delivering your order.
So what do you think will be the strategy? See, your big goal is, as a digital marketer, you should think on how do you make people download this app?
So this company has a
Yeah,
USP
that's their mode.
where it is providing not only delivery but pickup.
Yeah, because it's free and
Pickup
the
is
app.
free.
If you are using an app,
DHL does that.
Huh?
DHL does that.
No.
But
What
how
picture?
you
Taking a
decide?
picture.
Picking your product from your doorstep and then they deliver it to
But
your.
here
your-
all you need to see for a DHL, you need to call them up and place an order, tell them that, oh, look, I have a consignment, please come and pick it up. Here
Yeah.
it is not like
With
that.
this, you just need
just
to take
take
a
a snapshot
and
share
then
it.
send.
The rest all is done.
Yes.
So it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe you guys need to go back to our first class.
Okay, different ways of
Awareness,
marketing.
trust.
No. The digital marketing. What are the advantages and which company will work? Budget allocation class we did, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So in that we gave 3 options. One for a small business, one for a startup. So now you guys know the objective, correct? The objective of this particular thing. So now you will have to, you know what is the company is. Now you will have to jot down, at least get an overview which one will work.
Yes. First we need to identify which one will work.
Yes. So then what we'll do, we will identify which one will work, and maybe in that you guys take, 2 of you all take SEO, 2 of you all take PPC, 2 of you all take social media. So like this, if you come up with a plan, that is how we can combine all those things and say this is what the strategy is.
So which one will work? Which one do you all think will work?
Social media can work.
Okay. Do they have a budget?
No, it's a startup. I think we should start with SEO strongly.
No.
SEO, then SEO
See,
is not.
app. See, one of the objective is app installation, correct?
Yeah.
One objective is the app installation and the awareness. 2 is awareness. Okay, so think what will help.
what one strategy they could come up with is like Myntra has done this one. If you type Myntra.com in an actual laptop or computer, they actually take you to the website, and they'll have their all their
Yeah.
advertisements. Buy
But how you will go to
sunglasses.
Why would I go to Myntra.com?
Yeah.
That's because I know it already.
Yes.
Here, this is a startup. Nobody knows about it, so nobody will go to.
So that means you need to come with the SEO, search and optimization for your.
SEO will take time,
Before
so we have to go
SEO,
for
you have to
PPC.
create an awareness about what your company is into. Like we don't know
I think
about
we need
this.
to do some
courier
email
agency. Yeah.
marketing.
Can you just refer the budget allocation class? You will get a lot of clarity.
No, for in the startup you don't.
In startup, where is the email
The
list?
database is not there.
Yes.
You don't know email.
Social media.
Social media is one of the options.
Social media.
Yeah, we can aware the people.
Rather than social media, it is PPC. Is
PPC.
best
This
way
is
to
business
and
promote.
social media.
Promote. Yeah.
That's why I asked how much is the budget.
Social media is somewhere where people are, they are not looking for this one courier. See, for example, you already might be sending a lot of couriers, and then you coming to search engine after this one to search for a courier guy is very, very less. My potential customer who is regularly sending it will not search the courier this one on Google. Okay, whereas if I hit you through the Facebook or this one, so I created an awareness. So you might try. Does it make sense?
Yes.
See, now also in Facebook, if you're going through, you're trying to, the uniqueness of the app is going to be something,
But
because
you can speak
it's
about
not just the
text.
delivery part, but you can take picture.
You can
Yeah,
take a
you can
video
take a
also.
snapshot
Some
and,
you can take a video and send it also.
Yes.
Because my potential customers who are regularly sending couriers are not on Google. They are not searching on Google. They might search Google, but on Google, but they will not search a courier part in Google. Correct? You agree with me?
No, I think you should still do it, but that is on the long run.
Long run. Yeah.
But now, see, you can, it's not, see, you should remember that one thing. SEO, but SEO you can do when if it is a different industry. For brand, you can get that one SEO right away. So, for example, a lot of people talking about this new, what is this new thing where you can take a picture and send it. So, people will start to type in Google, for example, and search for it. If they got the awareness.
Yes.
That is one thing. That is easy. For branding, if for a new company, it is easy to get into SEO. Easy. If it is unique name, what is, let us say, for example, Pick Tracker, I'm just saying. Pick Tracker is this thing. So you can optimize that and get it as quickly as possible. Maybe if you allow me to do it, I'll do it in 2 days. 1 or 2 days. For the name Pick Tracker, for example, I might use various strategy. I might use videos. I might use this thing and optimize and get it in. I can get it in half an hour too. Okay, that is for the brand. That's easy. That's not a thing. However, I'm going to say send, what is that, courier using picture, though in India or in Bangalore, from Bangalore, that also I can do it easily because that's unique. There's no competition.
Yeah.
Right? So that, I'll start off with that.
Yeah. You can. See, that you need to plan it, but more creating awareness. As a startup for this one, I think creating, but how do you drive them to install an app?
See, generally what happens is when you have to download, when you actually offer people download, no, there are other channels wherein we tie up with networks and stuff. Networks as in like various other service providers who will actually help us download the app. For example, I'm watching a content on mobile. Okay, maybe a content which is related to travel or something like that, or probably something related to logistics. Not just logistics, anything which is related to your target audience. I will leave my advertisement over there, asking them to download and with the benefit of the communication. So you can Pick Tracker, you can download. So download the app.
Okay, right now for creating awareness, they want to do a campaign on Friendship Day. So that students can be targeted and they will tell them to download their app and follow
But
them.
students, how many of you?
As a student.
It depends. They see, for example,
for
today's
Friendship Day,
trend is
what they will do, they will send
Oh.
free bands
send
and all
courier,
that.
occasion,
So
chocolates.
that, yeah, for their friends, free of cost.
Free of cost. So they are trying.
So they are sending free of cost?
Yeah, to promote
Free of cost.
To promote
That is an additional feature, right? That we need to focus. Free of cost.
Free shipping.
Free shipping, free of cost anywhere? Are you sure?
Yeah, free shipping is there.
Let them.
That means they take it from here to office, or they deliver it also free.
Yeah, free shipping is there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But what is the business model then? If they give free,
They're just promoting it.
Yeah.
There's
Depends
a
on
parcel.
your parcel and how
Yeah.
much quantity
Samaj
and all
Seva
that.
also.
So they will charge for that.
People just
Shipping
transferring
is
from
free.
one place to another without
no,
having any
no. Wait, hold on. Shipping is, but they're going to charge. Like I want to send this.
But for
How
Friendship
much?
Day, they will not charge anything.
Oh, acha, for that
It's for
event
their
only, for that day.
I think it's about buying
Yeah.
gifts and sending it. They'll only buy the gifts, I guess.
The bands and greeting cards, something for their friends, with their personalized
for
message
something.
written on
So
that.
this is
You buy from certain
Yeah,
people.
they'll give friendship bands on their brand
To
names.
their friends, yeah.
Pigeon
Yeah.
friendship bands they'll be printing and then there will be shipping.
Nice idea.
Nice idea.
I think infographics also should be nice when it comes to an app because if you have a catchy image which has nice funky images, as for a day like Friendship Day, your target audience would be youngsters. So infographics with nice funny images.
So where would you start? Even for, let us say, PPC, SEO, where would you start?
Since target audience is youngsters, we'll go with social media.
Can I promote my app on Google Play?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, it's an ad. Yes.
Can I promote? Is that paid this one?
Both, you will have to do both paid and app indexing, app optimization.
So that is the place where we have to, it's a must we need to look in, because Google App is the place where we need to promote.
Google Play.
Google Play.
Google Play and iTunes. I mean, App Store.
App Store. You have to. Whether you do it in this one or not, but you have to do it.
Okay, by the way, how many of you know now Google is also indexing your app? So now you search for something, you can see, download this app in search results in SEO.
Oh. So you have that. This one
Yes,
also.
when you cover mobile marketing, you will cover this.
So that is again very important. We need to concentrate on that. These three places I think will drive these people immediately to install an app.
Okay, so where would you start now? Okay, let us say identify we have to do it in App Store, we'll have to do it in SEO, PPC, Facebook. What is the next step?
Distribute the work and stack.
What is that?
Distribute the work. For example, she is good in SEO. She will start.
Okay, so she's good in SEO. Where would you start?
Keyword research.
Keyword research.
What kind of keyword research?
Free shipping and snapshot.
See, you know what I told? That if you come up with something different, it is easy. So you need to look for those kinds of keywords. Maybe people are searching for picture and shipping, or maybe transfer of or gift for
Probably if I'm
gift for what? For Friendship Day.
Maybe we can use free shipping courier services or.
No, that also
That will find
because
many
Friendship Day, you will have to think about Friendship Day. So you are promoting for Friendship Day. So here are some ideas. Hey, did you know you can send this what is that? Band or something for free of cost or something. So you need to do keyword research on the bands and Friendship Day, related to Friendship Day completely.
Wristband and all.
So what is trending during Friendship Day? What is that? Now you get to know. Then you optimize for that. Create content.
Still celebrating Friendship Day today.
You can also make a Facebook page, right?
Second
Still?
of
First Sunday or something.
First Sunday of
Second
August.
of August.
We can also make a
But
Facebook
I
page.
don't feel that it's
Facebook
even
page for
Friendship Day
That
is
we are
so popular today.
Join some event where Friendship Day. That's what we are organizing an event itself,
Even
right?
they are organizing in some colleges.
So we create some Wi-Fi hotspots there, so that there is a push of app downloads
App
which goes
download.
into these
Good.
guys, and then probably it ups.
Are you taking notes? Ideas?
That's good idea actually. Not just an event, you have a Wi-Fi hotspot so that people shouldn't say, okay, I'll go home and download and they forget it. They can say that download it now.
And then when they come in there, there's a
They
push.
might go home and delete the app also.
That is okay. You have at least installed the app.
You
You
have
can't
at least
stop
installed.
them. You made them to
They will
install,
get
right?
participation
So
back.
when it's free, download here. This you can send it to your friend.
You
You
can
can-
Download the app and get a code.
Yeah.
That will
Ricky says let's whiteboard it.
RTP.
Ricky says let's whiteboard it. Who's using the whiteboard?
No one.
Adi. थोड़ा लंबा है तो खींच ले.
You need to use the
I'll have to-
because you need to jot down the
Vanakkam Makkale Arjun official. Vanakkam. Vanakkam Makkale.
We also have Arjun. Say hi.
Yeah. This is also Arjun.
Hi.
Say vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Okay. And yeah.
Probably you should use the whiteboard. You need to jot down all the points what we
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Dude, you're going international.
Yeah.
Come.
You write everything, then you take a snapshot and then you
Yeah, and then tell them this is what I did.
Yeah.
You have done so much of research, you brainstorming.
Yeah. See, you can show them. You can take a picture. These guys are all who are giving the inputs.
Yeah, all the experts.
Okay, so.
So just put down app with the maybe pick. What is that? Pick tracker. That is the name of the company. Let us put that.
Don't put your company only, no?
No.
Let them explain.
No.
They will have advantage, they will be too much competitive for them to.
Pick tracker. Okay. Pick tracker. What is the goal of the? What is the features?
Okay.
Features.
USPs.
Features.
Correct, Mr. USPs on that.
They take a snapshot
Okay.
of whatever item you want to send. And then
Free shipping.
free shipping.
And friendship date is free. Correct.
Yes. Even Parents Day they are targeting, which is on upcoming Saturday only.
On all events, they'll do free shipping.
Parents Day greeting. Rakhi also they are targeting.
Rakhi also.
Yeah.
When will they earn?
At the time of Christmas.
In India, Rakhi they can't afford to give free shipping.
Winter holidays.
सबसे ज़्यादा कोरियर इंडिया में राखी के दिन ही होता है।
Yes.
तो इससे उनको प्रमोशन मिलेगा ना?
तो
ये long term
See now Rakhi is coming. If
Again,
I
Diwali
take a
already
snapshot
That's
of
the case.
that,
Ideally, they have to tie up with an e-commerce platform who's a startup and help them say that okay, it's a free
Send
shipping.
gifts.
Even if it is 200 rupees also, I'll give you free shipping. उसका brand वैसा बनाना.
हाँ, affiliate कर सकता है।
Affiliate.
अरे best. Affiliate is a very good.
Affiliate will
yeah. So
But अभी उनको
they give free shipping. See how their affiliate can work here. They'll give free shipping. So they'll become, that will become their USP in front of their customers. But through affiliate, since they'll be like, okay, you can go to this website, buy any gift, we will send it, we will ship it free for you. All over India.
but in any e-commerce website, like they provide
Strategies.
free shipping only.
But it is not a known website.
अच्छा.
वैसा.
Goal here. What is the goal? Objectives.
Goals and objectives.
Digital part.
Goals. Objectives.
So free shipping they'll give.
Hi,
They'll
Kushbu.
become
Kushbu says.
USP.
Kushbu says hello.
Hi.
Which Kushbu? No, not Kushbu Pandey.
more people should download their app.
Right.
No, don't you think these guys should concentrate on other businesses, e-commerce, Flipkart, Amazon, or maybe
Tell them for
delivering their
that is all their marketing strategy. You
भाई
tell
वो
us
लोग कंगाल हो जाएंगे.
digital part. How do you market for digitally?
But idea is good, na? See, free shipping users,
Myntra is using mobile, no?
Right.
through affiliate you are getting the money.
Does the company personnel come to pick up the courier after looking at the
Yes,
screenshot?
yes.
That is correct, Ricky.
Courier at their doorsteps, right?
You know what? You imagine the CEO of the company will be thinking, oh my god, so soon there's a competitor for me. And doing everything the
Okay, app download is one objective. Brand awareness is another objective, correct?
Yeah.
Traffic to their website? Not required.
Not there.
Because I never using an app and
There's no
Traffic.
conversion that is going to happen on the website.
So there is basically on the
that
app.
is not a key.
Key is one
Yeah.
objective. Okay.
Traffic to their app.
No, but I feel they should have website.
Yeah, they should have.
They have
They already have
they
Their
have-
USP is that you click a pic and send it, they will
Yeah.
come and pay for you.
And free shipping
They
on
use-
major days in India. Yeah, USP.
Free, that's free.
Okay, so now Apart from digital marketing, what are the ideas? Like he said, free Wi-Fi. Just jot down all those things.
Strategies.
Yeah, ideas. I would say it's not a strategy yet, but ideas.
Event campaign.
Ideas to promote.
Ideas to promote. Yeah. What are the things you said? Free Wi-Fi you can create.
Campaign.
In colleges.
Yes.
No, wherever the event
Wherever the event is. Free Wi-Fi hotspot or
Okay. What's the time frame for the people to come? I think users need to be made aware. What is the time frame? When?
When is the first this one happening?
10
Friendship
days.
Day.
10 days.
Yeah.
Okay. 10 days. Within 10 days.
Yeah.
Because the first event is happening on Friendship Day.
Yeah.
yeah.
So
Within 10 days.
Even within 9 days.
Free Wi-Fi.
On the 10th day, you need to do that.
And then see,
Tie up
maybe
with-
tie up with some merchandise, and then they'll say, we'll give a custom keychain, and so that they can bring it in the event. And what they can do is, here, send this one to your friend. Right now, you can.
promote in some malls and all. On
No, is it-
Saturdays and
is it
Sundays.
campaigns?
Friendship
I have an
Day.
idea.
Free Wi-Fi.
I have an idea. You go to
Free bands.
Yeah, free bands too, free merchandise, maybe free keychains.
what will happen if you go to some
Yeah.
let's say the professional agency. Okay, he is an what do you call an agent who collects this.
Probably
And
a
it's
good one would be,
so that day everything will go free for him, right?
Take a selfie, group selfie or
Correct.
friend selfie.
He might buy it, take money from the
camera
and he
instant
sends
through the
Free merchandise.
ऐसे करके envelope में आके भेज देना सारे friends will take it.
They will not send it to family friends. They will keep it.
फ्री में मिले अगर देंगे
You convert one of the dealer into your this one. Right? You convert all the dealers because it's free, right? Convert all the dealers or all courier dealers to just your this one. Go speak to them. It will be free. Hello.
Okay, so
Organize some contest or activity.
Free gifts.
Free campaign.
Hello.
Free campaign is
Hello.
included in this one.
No, this is again going to your first step.
मतलब रोड साइड में कोई स्टॉल हुआ
Free
है
campaign
कैंपेन हुआ है
only ना. वहाँ पे
Here is the
will happen.
Ideas to promote affiliates with
Think
startup.
Think about this
e-commerce.
Mahindra done for
Type
Gusto
e-commerce
bike.
guys.
Mahindra Gusto, they promoted it.
Indira
Went around the
Bangalore.
टिफिन्स इन बैंगलोर ना
Tiffins and something like that. They can.
We can go to the schools and colleges.
Going to camping means
अच्छा उसके लिए
फ्रस्ट्रेटेड
ಕೋಲ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ರ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ
Okay.
yeah.
Free gifts of friendship, free merchandise, free से थोड़ा बाहर आना.
okay, we haven't come to the digital marketing
free
part
yet.
yet.
Yeah, social media, Facebook. We can create pages.
Promote on business pages like
Create.
frequently
Pages.
all stuff.
Promote through WhatsApp.
WhatsApp कितनी कैसे
Native advertisements. Where we have class.
Today you learned.
But it will be expensive, I think, na native advertising.
Yeah, that's what we want to have the budget, right? Maybe imagine. Let us assume that we'll have to give some budget.
Put that in red color. You need budget for that.
Social media. What you can
Okay,
do is create
who's, nobody talking about content. We need a lot of content for this.
10 days के लिए content.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course you need to have content. Otherwise, why?
correct. That's what I'm saying.
Infographics, video. How easy to
Exactly.
video
Yes.
is the best thing. How easy to you demonstrate.
You demonstrate how
How
to use
easy
the
it
app
is.
and all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Video is most important.
On Facebook,
On
infographics.
video, you'll have to do two things.
They have
One
their
is-
video on Facebook for.
No, we need to create videos, new videos, showing them this is what it is.
See, we can
Then
do
you-
Friendship Day video.
We can do one fantastic stuff on Facebook. What we can tell is you can click the photo and upload it on Facebook. We will do that.
Yeah, that is
360.
that's a good idea. See, upload it in Facebook.
And we'll take care of it.
Yeah.
Rather than uploading it on Telegram.
Yes.
an ad, bypass an ad for a day.
Yeah. So Facebook, Twitter. Take a picture, and then our customer rep will contact you.
Yeah.
The same thing can be done on Instagram as well.
Instagram, Pinterest.
Wherever you can post a photograph,
They
use
can
all
even
that.
put their WhatsApp number and people can send their pictures on their WhatsApp
Correct.
number and then we can
Yeah. And later you can work into what?
WhatsApp.
That is good.
That's it.
No, that's not.
The audience will give some ideas. Hey guys, watching Periscope, can you tweet with the hashtag PickTracker?
Quick tracker.
Yeah.
Somebody can monitor PickTracker because a lot of people are watching in the web, not in the mobile. So those who are watching in the desktop or in the web, can you please hashtag PickTracker, PickTracker, so that conversation can go as well.
Yeah.
Some ideas too.
And
T? That's fine. That's a fancy name. Tracker.
tracker.
It can be pick, P-I-C.
Okay. Yeah.
Pick tracker.
But it can be
that's a good
PSCK
one.
also. Because like
No, pick picture. It is a pick. It's a tracking.
Yeah.
Pick,
No, no, pick-
pick,
No, no,
P-I-C.
yeah,
I
It's a pick.
understand.
Pick tracker.
No, PSCK makes sense
Ah,
because it's a
because-
courier
yeah,
service.
Both. It can work both ways.
Yeah,
Virat.
PSCK.
PIC will be related to images only. That's why
Anyway, you track
PIC
the
is
pick.
good.
No, anyway, you track the pick. Whenever you pick, you track. But pick tracker makes a lot of the difference. When somebody coming to pick,
So
you
it should
track
be
the
K or
money
it
is
should
pick.
be C.
What's the time for the company to collect the friendship band after looking at the screenshot again? Okay, here. What is the time for company to collect the friendship band after looking at the screenshot? How much time?
Within the same day.
Same day.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Delivery?
Because they are active in Bangalore only.
So in Bangalore, so
in Telugu anywhere.
In India.
But, yeah, pickup facility is only available for Bangalore.
So let us focus for Bangalore now. So in Bangalore, the same day they are going to deliver. I mean, pick it up. Okay. So the hashtag is what? PICTRACKR. Pick tracker.
Same day pickup. Please.
Now, for example, if I want to send this, I take a pic of this. Who will track it?
Yeah.
Their respective persons will only come and they will pack it. They will take.
Yes, that is correct, Ricky. Same day pickup can be one of the highlights.
Yeah.
Yes. By the way, so you take a picture and you WhatsApp it or what?
You can
Which number? You will have to do a number. They give a number and you call them up.
Give their number.
Okay, you
Or
can
pictures.
either call, you can either WhatsApp, right? Okay, and tweet and Facebook.
Yeah.
Use hashtag, yes. Hashtag pick tracker. Somebody will actually start it. And then say, so you give this one to them as soon as possible. Otherwise, somebody will.
Seriously.
And when will the courier reach to the intended friend?
Same day.
No, one day. One day. I mean, one day.
Within 1 day.
No,
One
if
day.
it is, no, if
Next
it is
day.
local, you have to define that as well. If it
Yeah,
is-
let us take only local for now. For the strategy
Same
perspective.
day, same
No, don't say same day.
No,
Take
no,
2
no.
days.
Take
So
two
that
days.
you
It
can-
will not take 2 days.
One day,
Within
one day,
Next
one day.
Next one day.
One working day.
Within 1 day.
Now,
One
debate the
working-
customer with the servers. No? What if you're not able to deliver? Free can you both slow and
There are 3 types of services.
Just
business.
thinking if friendship day reaches 2 days after the friendship day. That is correct. So you'll have to do it before. So
And
the
we can
campaign.
do one thing. We can say first 100 or first 1,000 people will actually get free shipping.
No, you'll get delivered next day.
No,
Yeah, see,
if you want
he's
to-
correct. Ricky was telling If it is friendship day and if it goes after 2 days, there's no
No
use,
point.
no
No,
No, it
momentum.
will go, it will reach
So
on
that means the
day.
campaign you're going to do before the friendship day,
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yeah.
good.
No, if you want to do send your stuff to your friends across, send this on a deadline so that you will deliver it before that.
Deadline they have.
Say for example by July 25th.
And you know what? This strategy really worked because I myself have become a victim of this. So I'll share this. Our main aim here is to get the app installed right. Recently, Go IBGO. Okay, I personally made 17 friends of mine to install that app on their
Referral.
phones
referral.
because of the
Referral.
Go IBGO cache. That is a different thing that they did not. It was not very clear how I can use that cache. I assumed that cache.
Cash.
No, not hard cache. It will be cache on their
Cache
website, but
back.
I can use the complete Go IBGO cache to book a flight ticket. Totally, it will become free for me.
Yeah.
So I went ahead and I, asked 17 of my friends to do that. I had nice, but that.
Yeah, so they can give something like this, but they need to tie up with some merchandise. So you can, using this money, you can go and buy, let's say for Myntra, some gifts.
Points,
Yeah.
gift vouchers, gift vouchers, points, gift
Or
vouchers.
you can use the same cash or credit to send
Send
another
other
courier
package, yeah.
for free.
Feature. Instead of gift vouchers, you can pick part of
Referral लिखो
pick part of referral.
So can you tweet, see if anybody is crashed out?
Just
कौन सा भाई?
Yeah.
सुरेश का फोन.
No, Twitter. Is Twitter anybody has Twitter? Where is Twitter? No? Twitter. No?
I just use it for friends.
Ashok. W.
Adriana is there on
Where there in Twitter? Just check anybody has tweeted something.
Wait,
And
I'm not
pick
sure I
track.
have
No.
brought it. I've not brought it.
Search. Not there. You start.
Tomorrow I might come early here. My class is at 9:30 to 4.
Okay, so,
Jan.
okay, now you got some of the things. What are you going to do
I
now?
have class.
Yeah.
PhD wala. SPS.
Next, we need to
चाहिए
find out
password.
what should be the budget
9731
Yeah, budget is very
388
and allocate the budget
721.
to different.
Okay, so let us take only for digital marketing. The events and all, because it might cost a lot. Only for digital marketing.
What should be the budget?
No office.
Next 9 days are there. For 9 days.
So in the 9 days, what will work out?
free Wi-Fi. Free
That and all will.
No,
So you
that's
need to
not
create momentum and you need to advertise in order.
Yeah.
Social media.
Social media.
Facebook ads.
Yeah. Facebook ads or relevant targeting. Reach.
Take a pic of this and send it to the group. I need to leave for work.
The best way to start is with the videos. YouTube videos.
No, any of the videos you are going to create can be advertised too for ads. Facebook ads you are going to use video ads.
The immediate response is you need to start advertising in social media. Correct? So we need to have a budget. What do you think we can
10 days.
9 days
I think some $2,000
per day.
No. 5,000 rupees for the entire.
We want to
package.
make this a
So you want more momentum? 1 lakh for Facebook alone.
1 lakh for Facebook alone. That
10
means
days.
each and every person in Bangalore will know.
Not really, but it can reach out to. See, it can reach 10,000. How much? 10,000 per day. 10,000 per day.
It can reach.
So you can have multiple. You can target, but
Yeah, for 10
you can
days
have
it will be
one
1 lakh.
video ad, one image ad. So you can have 6 images. So all the images you need,
If we have want
Campaign.
have Bangalore to speak about this,
that you need to spend like 1 lakh per day, at least.
like for a digital alone,
Facebook alone.
Facebook alone.
See, there is, if you want the entire India to have, that is, one more thing is you can use the Facebook, when you close, there is an ad, right?
Logout page.
Logout page.
Yeah, yesterday
That
I
is the
checked
reach.
in the Facebook ads. For 64 rupees, the Facebook ad is 2 clicks per day. For 64 rupees.
Yeah, that depends upon the target. So this will reach out, this will be like 40
If I
lakhs.
want to
40
target
lakhs.
Only people who are using Facebook on mobile.
Yeah, you can do that. Yes.
So, or if I want to do that, how much do you think I should spend?
See, it's not like you need to figure out how much reach you want.
That's what I want. Only people in Bangalore who are using Facebook on mobile.
Okay, so let us say 10 lakh people.
10 lakh people will be there.
Yes. So you take an average of 10 rupees. How much? 10 into 10.
It is paid per click, right?
Yes.
So we assume that everybody will click.
No,
or
we are telling that for 10 rupees per click. But the reach would be much more higher.
Okay. That's a reach will be more. People will know more. Okay.
Yeah. Average we are telling.
Click will be 10%.
10 rupees. You can bring it down, optimizing it. But I'm just giving an average. 10 rupees if you.
So where is it?
YouTube ads. YouTube ads.
Most important. YouTube ad. YouTube ad. How do we push it to news people?
Native ad. Native ads.
Native ads.
That's what you guys discussed today, right?
But that needs a lot of huge budgets and
Mobile ads, yes.
huge budgets.
Yes. See, it's not like huge budget. What is budget? Maybe if you can start out with 50,000 rupees if you have good content. Yeah.
Native ad is most important because
But it's expensive.
yeah, you get returns also.
Okay. Google Display Network. Remember Display Network.
Because these are the sites people very often visit.
Anybody talking about Pick Tracker? Our listeners are passive listeners. I mean, our people, audience who are watching this one are passive. They don't interact, which is fine. We'll still give. If you interact, it will be nice. Except Ricky and a
They
couple of
might
them.
be trying to understand what is it about. That's
Yes.
why they might not be
Yes.
interacting.
Is the actual really name Pick Tracker? No, Ricky. We just made it up.
Okay. I think this gives a pretty visual. Now, coming back to the
So everybody would be searching for Google and then website. Is there any website Pick Tracker?
Pick tracking, pick and parcel is there. Pick and parcel is there.
Ricky, is there any website named Pick Tracker? Okay. So you will do SEO, you will do Facebook, you will do Google Display Network, you will do YouTube ads, native ads, blogger outreach. You're going to target some bloggers, influential marketing, people who are influencers. Okay. Okay, then what would you be achieving by hashtagging Pick Tracker? Just curious. Now, Ricky, people who are watching this Periscope, they are not using mobile. Some of them are watching in desktop. For them to interact, at least we can track that one in Twitter. That is why we asked for Pick Tracker as a hashtag.
So,
Yeah.
All right. So I'll close Periscope.
Yes. You got a very good this one, right?
Idea.
I don't know.
Huh?
All right,
You got a
guys.
direction?
So we'll say bye.
Bye bye.
Your name? Maybe just give a name.
Parigya.
Pariya.
Manikandan.
Manikandan.
Vartika.
Artika.
Arjun.
Arjun.
Anand.
Anand. Bye, guys. Until next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How many matches?